Okay, building a Stargate. Lesson 1. We have the circuit board. 552 LEDs in rings designed to make a Stargate. We have a 3D printed gate front, a gate back that fits in it, and the stone base, which I've done in black this time, just made different. Looks nice. We've got some bits of wire. We have an LED controller, case for the LED controller, scissors, cutters, and various bits. So the first thing we need to do is we're going to need to solder the wire onto the back of the gate in order to test that the gate actually works. So first off, I need these, unfortunately, and then we tin the pads. And we tin the wires. So the wires are nicely tinned, but it's worth just chopping them neatly. Okay, and now we solder the wires to the pads, which is fairly straightforward. Final wire being a bit tricky. All nicely soldered to the pads. Okay. So that's the tricky bit done. And now we're going to connect to the LED controller. We do this first just to make sure it all works before we put it together, because there's no point if the LEDs don't work. Slightly longer trimming on here. Twist them so they fit nicely. This is the LED controller. Need something to poke down the waggos, and you poke down the waggo and push the wire in all the way. Now we have an LED controller. Turn this over. Connect the power, and we should see we have a dialing sequence. Now we let this run to the end because the LED rings actually go from the outside to the end, so if there's any problem with one of these LEDs, all the rest will go off. So when we get to the end, it does the big whoosh in the middle. On the 7th chevron now there, and whoosh, that's bright. But all of those lights are on, so we know the whole controller is working, so that's good. Now we disconnect the wacko, because we're going to have to fit it into the plastic. So it's disconnected, and we're going to start with the top, and this is going to fit in there like that. But before we do that, we need the mirror glass. What we have for this is we have a clear and a mirror. These are 10cm discs, readily available. I can't get a half mirror. So what we do for the half mirror is we get some of this mirror film, which you can buy all over the place. Got a suitable size outfit. Okay, this is a black mirror film. There's several colours available. The blue looks really nice, but for no apparent reason, this mirror film has a sticky side. For no apparent reason, the blue one is sticky on the blue side, which makes no sense because you stick it inside your window and you've now got blue outside and mirror inside, which is backwards. You always need the mirror side to stick on your window, so that's the side that should be sticky. So why they did I don't know. I don't understand. However, it's not too hard at this point to try and get the sticky off. That's what you've got to do, which is about doing it with a penknife here. Yay, I've got the sticky. Okay, so that's the sticky. And this is the clear disc. These discs all have an annoying plastic sheet on them, of course, so try not to get any dust on it. Right, and we're going to put this mirror over the plastic. Now, fortunately, this sticky peels off, so if I get this wrong, it will peel off. But if I'm really lucky, I get it nice and clean first time. Oh, that's nice. That's nicely done. Okay, and this comes with the mirror film. So now we just cut the mirror off. Okay. We take our Stargate top and we peel off the other side of this. It's possible to put it in there. So that's the half mirror. Now the gate now goes into this. There is a bottom here, and this particular design has 8 little notches and no notch at the bottom, so you can get it in the right place, and you fit the 8 little notches in the right place like that and slot it in. Right, so that's now the gate. Just try and clean this off a bit. Okay, so that's the gate. Now we need the mirror side, which is this bit. Again, peel it off. Drop the mirror into there. And what we're going to do is we're going to thread this cable through the back. The design allows the cable to go out the bottom or out the back, and we're going out the back this time. And then we take this, hold it in place, put it on there, and it fits in place fairly nicely. And the gate clips together all the way around fairly solidly like that. Let me clean that mirror a bit. Fingerprints. Bad. Okay, now we're going to fit it in here. There's, again, as I say, there's a slot in the bottom and the back. You can choose which. We're choosing the back at the moment. That goes in there. And we pull the cable through as neatly as possible. And we slot it in. Now, the gate slots in fairly snugly. The cable like that, with the home symbol at the top, and the cable nicely coming through a little notch in the bottom there, and we now simply reconnect it. Taking anti-static precautions at all time, of course, not dropping it on the floor. We now reconnect it to the LED controller, which is fairly straightforward. Again, poking. I've got a bit of strand of wire there, so I'm just going to redo that. Because you don't want strands of wire coming out your Waggos, because they can short with other strands of wire and do nasty things. So let's show that in there. And there you go with that. Again, strands of wire. And that one. Okay, so we have an LED controller and a gate. Shove the LED controller in a bit of plastic. Unfortunately, this case is not designed for this controller, which means you've got a nice hole for an infrared, which has actually got a capacitor behind it, so the newer controllers have infrared. And we get our lead. So now we're ready, we plug in. And we watch the gate dial. And there you go. See it from this camera as well. Looks good. Nice infinity mirror effect. It is actually possible to mount the mirror on the back, which gives more spacing on this, which can give a little bit more depth, but I think this works quite well here. So there you go, one Stargate.